Hello everyone and welcome to my video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to do a very basic, simple makeup routine. So this is my everyday makeup routine, just using drugstore makeup. So if you'd like to see that, continue watching the video, but first don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post. I'm going to start off by using a primer. So this is the Wet n Wild Rose Water Primer. I really like this. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. So I'm first going to apply this to my face before applying makeup. So now I'm going to apply some foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Golden Beige. So I normally just take this and apply it directly to my face, and then I am going to finish the application with a brush. I'm going to take the concealer and apply it under my eyes, and then I'm going to blend this in with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to take my brush and just blend everything in. I'm going to apply the setting powder right under my eyes with my beauty blender. So this is when I'm going to take my brow brush and my brow pencil. As you can tell, my eyebrows do need some shaping up. So for the sake of this video, I am going to fill in my sparse areas and just fill them in a bit just to shape them up. I don't do this step every single day, but when I do need to shape them up, I normally just pencil them in just so they look like they have somewhat of a shape. I am in no way, shape, or form an expert at this, so this is pretty much what I do just to fill them in. I normally like to use a bronze powder to kind of contour my face and give myself a little bit of like a contour, but this is what I have at the moment. I have the contour pencil or pen, and so I just kind of line where I want to contour and blend it in with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to take my liner and line my upper and lower lids off camera. So this is what it looks like after I have lined my upper lid. This is what the comparison looks like to the other eye that's not lined. So here's what it looks like after I have lined both eyes. Next, I'm just going to take some mascara and apply that to my lashes. And now for my lips. Today I'm going to be using a lip gloss, but normally I either put on a chapstick or some Vaseline. On some occasions I do apply lipstick or a lip gloss, but it's very rare. I like to keep my makeup look very simple, just a very natural look. I like the no makeup look. So my makeup routine is very, very basic. So here goes. This is my everyday look. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're following us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.